So moving on, let's talk a little bit about this, service. When it comes to data hygiene, the problems that we usually face hopefully resonate with those attending today and are super common. So we see vendor agents specific to a configuration management database vendor that typically create discrepancies between systems with different identifiers provided between different agents. With most configuration management databases, because this database architecture was, resurrected about 30 years ago, or architected about 30 years ago, there are rigid objects in this database that are specific for managing the continuity and availability of applications, as well as the redundant stack for failover. And so we see missing data in some instances where there's no owner or location or other attributes that should be referenced about an asset or a CI. There's, in some cases, lots of duplicate data where the same field or object has conflicting or inconsistent data, which means that there's a lot of editing between systems or agents. There's, in some cases, no set format on this data. So one of the biggest challenges that we see is a lack of consistency across vendors. Vendors like CrowdStrike, Microsoft, Jamf, etc., all use similar but different formats for their data sets. So a simple example is one vendor storing data in gigabytes and another in megabytes, just as a quick example. And so these are some of the issues that we're hoping to solve and have solved in many deployments for our customers. So moving on, with integrations across key enterprise technology systems, like you saw a couple of slides ago, our enterprise technology management app or platform serves as a central hub, really, discovering, aggregating, normalizing all of this data to ensure higher quality asset information is available to the ETM applications that are automating process. Other technology management tools and platforms can also access this data. So for existing configuration management databases, the Technology Data Hygiene Service that we provide improves the accuracy of the data stored in the CMDB, removes the burden of the other exercises most organizations do to keep their inventory accurate. So a lot of manual work, a lot of exporting, pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, importing, etc. And automating this data hygiene maintenance dramatically reduces the number of incidents and tickets and allows for really thorough process automation, which again, for process adherence, it's important that things are not manual and that they are automated. So lastly, once an organization has a reliable configuration management database or an enterprise technology management database, they can focus on using that data. They can use that data to enforce their policies that are established and then automate processes with that data and policies. So again, just outlining some of the key business processes that should be automated that are the true outcomes of this data. Onboarding users in an efficient manner, offboarding users in a secure fashion, doing security policy validation, scoped evidence for governance, risk, and compliance exercises, automating the technology procurement, refresh, and forecasting, as well as SaaS management and cloud management to optimize spend as well as positions.